Telangana State Council of Higher Education released the TS ICET application form online. The normal registration window is open until May 6, while the registration with the late fee payment is available until May 18. Here is a step-wise process to fill the TS ICET application form. Before proceeding to register, one must keep the bank details handy for online fee payment. You also need documents including photograph and signature in JPG format. Firstly, visit the official website of TS ICET. The URL of the official website appears on the screen. You can also get the direct link to apply in the description box below. Now click on the tab for application fee payment. You can either pay the application fee online or visit the online payment centers in Telangana or Andhra Pradesh. Enter the basic details and click on the Proceed to Payment button to pay the registration fee. Reserved category candidates have to pay Rs 550, while the unreserved category candidates have to pay Rs 750 as the application fee. After payment confirmation, you need to fill the application form, enter credentials generated in the previous step, and click the Get Application button. The first part of the form requires the candidates to fill the basic details, followed by entering the address and domicile information. This shall follow the bank details of the candidate. Now you must proceed to add the qualification details. The qualification details include academic information from SSC level until the qualifying exam level. Further, you need to upload a photograph and signature as per the prescribed specifications. You will be asked about 3 preferences of the exam centers. Also, you need to choose a medium of the exam. Finally, click on the Preview and Submit button to check all the details filled in the form. If all the details are correct, click on the Freeze button. If you wish to change any information, click on the Modify button. After freezing the application form, candidates will get the application number appearing on the screen. You can now print the application form and keep it for future references. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Shiksha's YouTube channel. Thank you.